The next wave of AI success won't be measured in valuations, but in trust earned. Amanda Slavin's students controlling their learning data. Richard White's customers becoming investors. Barzan Mozafari proving value to businesses in 24 hours with 30-minute setup. Masood Alabash constraining AI to make it more useful. And MongoDB's Richmond Alaki shows us how learning from failure builds lasting innovation, and how a big company can actually have employees acting as entrepreneurs with the freedom to fail and the accountability to make it work. So many are caught up in predicting what's going to happen in the next 5 years that they don't take care of people, employees, customers, all of us right now. In 2024, many in AI were acting like doctors, spouting complex technical questions without answers, asked of others who didn't understand the whole AI question. It's way above their understanding. The stories you've just heard aren't the ones making headlines. You won't find these entrepreneurs promising AI to replace you or destroy you. Instead, they're quietly solving real problems for real people. Real business solving real high-value problems, what I call HVPs. It's the trust advantage. RUTH's project exemplifies this perfectly. By choosing not to track vulnerable users, they built enough trust to scale to 29 countries in months. That's the power of putting people first. It begins with users, listening to them, adapting to them, encouraging them, and building trust. That's the core of business. Trust is the new AI currency in 2025. Money follows.